Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. All right, you actually have two options. Okay, number one, or method one, is from the credit note module, and the second one is by editing it from an existing invoice. Okay, so first up, existing invoice right here, since we are in this section. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and click on one. Let's say this draft, or even this one that is due. Okay, once you're in here, just go ahead over to the three dots, click on it, and here you have the create credit note, okay, or debit note if you want to as well. Just click on it, hit on OK. Now here we have the credit note. All right, once that's done, just hit on save, and you're good to go. Now the second option is from the credit notes module. Now go to sales right here, okay, sales, here you have credit notes, like so. As you can see here, we have created this one earlier. Now just click on the plus icon right here at the top. And now as you can see, here we now have the new credit note, which is number 2. Enter the customer name, like so. Add in reference, credit note date, fill in the required fields right here. Scroll down, add in customer notes, subtotal, terms and condition, and just click on save as open. There you go. Here we now have our new credit note. That's basically it. If you want to customize it, you can go ahead over to the top right, click on customize, and just edit the template. Or you have the edit button right here at the top left. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.